stuck, and silent. This one isn't being just motivational, it's a mirror, a punch, a turning point. We're going deep, not just feel good, but wake up. You don't need a better life, you need a better mind because your current mindset is the poison with invisible walls. And you have been decorating it's like your home. So you think that mindset is just positive thinking? No. Mindset is how you respond when your life punches you in the teeth. It's what you say to yourself when no one's watching. It's the script that plays in your head when shit gets hard. I'm tired, I'm too late, I will start tomorrow. That's not you talking. That's your fear disguised as logic. That's your comfort zone, and it's dressing up like a safety net. So our mindset is software and it's outdated, full of bugs, and worse of all, you trust it blindly. Let me break it down. Fixed mindset versus growth mindset. A fixed mind says, I stuck at this, and a growth mind says, I suck at this yet. That's where empires are born, that's where average ends and legends begin. So, two number is a scarcity mindset versus abundant mindset. You think there's not enough time, money, luck, but guess what? It's not the world that's limited; it's your vision. The pie is limited, but your hands are in your pockets. Third number is victim mindset versus ownership mindset. Victim says this happened to me. Owner says this happened for me. Watch me flip it. And life doesn't respond to victims; it responds to builders. And let me be real. That is, most people don't need motivation. They need honesty, brutal, uncomfortable honesty. They need just discipline, which is started motivation. Motivation is okay, but you have to start the discipline. And how do you start motivation? Is an startup. You can start your discipline, and also I'm gonna give you next day how can you build a discipline in 30 days. And with one challenge, I'm gonna give you this challenge. So you're not here behind because of bad luck, you're behind because you have accepted the mindset as your identity. And identity shapes actions, and actions shape results every damn time. How to build a bulletproof mindset? So you have to uh, ask yourself that audit your internal voice. Would you talk to your best friend the way you talk to yourself? Would you talk to? If not, reprogram that voice. Write your triggers. What makes you lazy, sacred, or scared, doubtful. Track them, start them, diffuse them. Start your day with one hard win. Push ups, cold shower, or getting done the hard subjects what you fail in school. Don't scroll, strike. Feed your mind like your body. Books, podcasts, clean content, my videos, yeah. Start with distractions, feed your direction. Talk like a future version of yourself. Would the billionaire version of you say, I can't focus? 5 years ago, I didn't want me to this version of me. I didn't want this. 5 years later, would I want this version? What what would I want? The things would I want, and I'm working for that. So in my eyes, you have to see that. So what I have said, that would the billionaire version of say I can't focus? Never. He would say I don't negotiate with weakness. He would say that I would negotiate with weakness. This ain't about hype. It's about reprogramming your life. You fix your mindset, you fix your trajectory. So next time your brain says, let's take it easy, wish we're back. Let's take over instead. You wanna start a new life, start with a new mind. And when? Tomorrow. Tomorrow 5 a.m. Never. After this video. This is not a feel good channel. This is a change your shit life channel. A strike in out.